Imagine sliding into a car where luxury meets power, where every curve, every chrome accent, and every growl of the V8 whispers a story of 1960s American elegance. Today, we're stepping inside a 1966 Pontiac Star Chief Executive, a true classic that doesn't just drive, it commands attention. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of timeless American luxury, classic elegance, and that unmistakable V8 growl, then today you are in for a treat. What we have here is not just any classic, it's a 1966 Pontiac Star Chief Executive, a pinnacle of mid-60s automotive sophistication, meticulously preserved and restored to absolute perfection. Stick around, because this car tells a story of luxury, performance, and style that only Pontiac could deliver in the golden era of American automobiles. At first glance, this Star Chief Executive immediately commands attention. Its sweeping lines, polished chrome accents, and the iconic split grille design are a statement in themselves. This was Pontiac's flagship luxury sedan, designed for executives, celebrities, and anyone who wanted to make a statement on the road without saying a word. The exterior is a perfect blend of subtle elegance and bold American flair. It's sleek yet commanding, showcasing the era's love for long, low profiles and a presence that turns heads without effort. But looks are just the beginning. Under the hood, this beauty houses a period-correct 389 cubic inch V8 engine, perfectly paired with its smooth automatic transmission. Imagine sliding behind the wheel, gripping the polished steering wheel, and feeling the effortless power as the engine comes alive. That V8 growl isn't just noise, it's a symphony of engineering, a reminder that in the 1960s, American cars weren't just vehicles, they were experiences. With power steering to make handling smooth and precise, even a full-size luxury sedan like this maneuvers with surprising agility. Now let's talk about the paint. This particular Star Chief Executive boasts a factory-correct repaint, perfectly matching the original colors that Pontiac enthusiasts cherish. The finish gleams under sunlight, reflecting its surroundings with a mirror-like quality, and every chrome accent pops in contrast. The craftsmanship here isn't just about looks, it's about authenticity. This car isn't a generic restoration. It's a period-correct homage to a time when automobiles were statements of personal success and refinement. Step inside, and the interior tells another story. The cabin is immaculately clean, featuring plush seating that still retains that classic 60s charm. You can almost feel the history embedded in every stitch of the upholstery. This wasn't just a car, it was a moving office, a sanctuary on wheels, and a place where comfort and style were paramount. Every detail, from the polished dashboard to the crisp gauges, has been maintained with reverence to the original design. It's rare to see a car of this age where the interior feels so alive, so present, and yet so faithful to its origins. Driving this Star Chief Executive is a journey through time. As you settle behind the wheel, the automatic transmission engages seamlessly, and the V8 responds with that iconic mid-century authority. The ride is smooth, almost luxurious, gliding over the pavement as if the car is floating. Yet, underneath, there's power waiting to be unleashed at the slightest press of the accelerator. It's a perfect balance of comfort and performance, embodying what a full-size executive car should feel like. But beyond performance and aesthetics, there's a story here. The 1966 Pontiac Star Chief Executive represents an era when American cars were more than transportation, they were expressions of ambition and identity. Driving one today connects you to a history of automotive excellence, a period when attention to detail, engineering prowess, and design elegance defined an entire industry. Every curve of this car, every chrome accent, every line tells a story of craftsmanship, luxury, and pride. And let's not forget the rarity factor. The Star Chief Executive was the top of the line Pontiac, meaning that each model carried an aura of exclusivity. These cars weren't mass-market vehicles. They were carefully crafted to offer something special, something that made the owner feel distinguished. Today, finding a Star Chief Executive in this condition, with a period-correct engine, smooth automatic clean interior, and factory-correct paint, is nothing short of remarkable. This is a car for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the golden age of American automotive luxury. Imagine rolling down a quiet boulevard in this masterpiece. Heads turn, cameras flash, and people can't help but admire the sheer presence of the vehicle. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and an experience. Every journey becomes cinematic, every street becomes a runway, and every moment behind the wheel is pure indulgence. Now, as any luxury car enthusiast knows, the charm of a vehicle like this isn't just in its condition or performance, it's in the connection it creates. There's a tactile pleasure in feeling the polished steering wheel under your fingers, hearing the soft purr of the V8, and knowing that every inch of this car has been maintained with care and respect for its heritage. It's a reminder that cars from this era were built to be cherished, not just driven. For those considering adding a piece of history to their collection, this Star Chief Executive isn't just a car, it's an investment in style, culture, and legacy. Its timeless design ensures that it will never go out of fashion, and its mechanical integrity means that it's as reliable today as it was decades ago. Owning this car is about more than just having a classic, it's about experiencing a bygone era every time you turn the key. So, if you're looking for a car that combines authentic mid-60s luxury, powerful V8 performance, and impeccable period-correct details, the 1966 Pontiac Star Chief Executive is the ultimate choice. It's a car that doesn't just move, it captivates. It doesn't just transport, it commands attention. And it doesn't just exist, it defines what it means to drive in true American luxury. That's it for today's Spotlight, guys. This is more than a car, it's history on wheels, an icon of American design, and a testament to the craftsmanship of a golden era. If you're passionate about classic cars and want to see more cinematic showcases like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the community where we celebrate the finest automobiles ever built. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing the classics, because some cars aren't just driven, they're experienced.